Hi everybody, welcome back. I know it's been a while. At the time I was really overwhelmed and I was like not in a routine. I just got distracted a lot. I'm gonna get it. Today's video is just gonna be an easy get ready with me. I'm using the Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, let's go. And concealer, I'm gonna use Tarte Shape Tape. So I already did my brows. I used the Benefit brow pencil. This is what it looks like. So I'm gonna go all over the lid. Okay, and I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush. Press it into the corners. And I'm gonna bring it up a little bit, but keeping it still low and then blending it upward. Okay, and then I'm gonna get a smaller, rounder brush, and I'm gonna grab this darker brown here, and I'm gonna pack it right on the bottom. I'm gonna go right into this shimmer burgundy. Just gonna pack it. And with the first blending brush, we're gonna go back in with taupey color and we're gonna blend out that line. This is the Milani Conceal and Perfect Shine Proof Powder. And then for bronzer, I'm gonna use MAC Gimme Sun. And then for blush, I'm gonna use Milani. This one is an 06, I believe, yeah. Milani, where you at? Sponsor me. Okay, and then for liner, I'm just gonna add a really thin line. And it's Clinique Pretty Easy Liquid Liner. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous, so I just went ahead and put that on. Okay, for lips, I'm gonna use MAC, I think this is Whirl. Then I'm gonna top it off with the Huda Beauty matte lipstick in Girls Trip. It's like that, looks like that, really pretty nude. I love that it's not so nude, it has like the hint of pink in it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.